Ham and lentil soup recipe. This really is delicious. In a large saucepan, place 80 grams of red lentils, along with 1 stick of celery chopped. Also add 1 carrot chopped and 100 grams of chopped swede. You'll need 1 large onion chopped too, and a handful of chopped parsley. Then add 1 litre of good quality vegetable stock. You could try adding something like pearl barley to your soup. Or how about some beans? I like to sometimes add butter beans or kidney beans. Stir around properly. Then place a lid on and simmer for 25 minutes. Now I like my soup not too thick, so I add some extra water from the kettle. Add in 150 grams of cooked shredded ham hock and stir around and gently cook for 5 minutes. Serve it piping hot. Don't forget you can like the video, subscribe to my channel, and when you subscribe you get notified of all my new videos. The full recipe that you can print out and get more great ideas from is on the website, and you can watch the video again. There is also the nutritional fact sheets too. All you have to do is go to my website cookingwithemily.co.uk.